Hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn some basic concepts of business economics. So let's get started. The first concept which we will learn is the households. In previous video, we saw the meaning and scope of business economics, some contents in business economics, and how the business economics is closely related with the macroeconomics. How business economics is also known as the microeconomics. So in this lecture, we will see some basic concepts. By using them, we draw our conclusions, we do some basic analysis, and we study the behavioral change in the economy. So, the first concept is the households. What is the meaning of households and the role played by the household sections? Households is nothing but people like you and me, people who are buying things, people who are consuming things. So, households is the similar words for the buyers or for the consumers. Now, what is the role played by this household section? Every company does some production, or every company does produce some services. To buy these produced goods or services, we need buyers or the consumers. So, if there are no consumers, then all production of the companies or the services will go in vain because no one will be buying them. Hence, household section is the very important part of the economy. So this was all about the households. The second is the consumer. Consumers are, and households are nearly same people, but they are the targeted audience for whom the production happens. Hence, people who buy things are the consumers. Firms. See, students often make mistakes in deciding between firms and industry. So firm stands for the unit of production where a production of a single commodity or the services happens. Let's say a firm is producing bottles. So we cannot say that the industry of bottles but the firm of a production of bottles. See, firms are the smaller units and they are the part of the industry. So it's very simple and very logical to differentiate between firm and industry. Industry is made up of several firms and several units of production. We can say that an industry of bottles, but that industry will consist of many smaller firms which actually produce bottles. The next topic is industry. So I already told you the meaning of industry, and in industry how firms together makes an industry. Now, there is an importance of industry in the business economics, but particularly when it comes to study the units of production, we often refers to firms because in previous video I already told you that business economics or the microeconomics particularly deals with the micro subjects. Hence, we know that firm is a micro part of the industry and so we study the firms. Okay, this was all about today's lecture. In next lecture, we will talk about some new concepts. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and take necessary precautions.